Are you craving for a dry, fragrant rice noodles? Let me show you the easiest way to cook it. First, soak these dried noodles in a lukewarm water for about 15 minutes. Drain it and set aside. Cut some cabbage, rinse and slice into your preferred thickness. I like to separate its stem from its softer leaves. You can add any veggies so long as they are not watery or become mushy after cook. But today I make the simplest one to show you the best method of handling these thin rice noodles. I know not many people know how to stir fry this noodle so that it is not soggy or mushy. Slice the stem thinly because I don't want to waste them. It is crunchy, but you need to slice them thinly. In here, I also add some carrots, sliced thinly, and just cut them in lengthwise. Or you can use grater if you want to save your time. To get some umami flavor, I'm using some dried shrimps and egg, onion and garlic for more fragrant. I normally soak the shrimps with some vinegar and water to discard awkward smell. Now, let's slice the onion and mince the garlic. For some heat and beautiful color, but it's optional, cut some red pepper or chilies. I'm going to also mince the shrimps. I tell you, these little shrimps will make the noodles taste wonderful. I have cracked the egg, and here are all the ingredients we need. Now, let's spice the noodles with some light soya sauce, oyster sauce, and also a little sweet soya sauce. But if you don't have this sweet soya sauce, you may add some sugar or normal caramel sauce. Sprinkle some white pepper powder. Just use a fork or chopsticks to mix them evenly so that they are coated with all the sauces. Beat the egg first before cooking it. If you don't like eggy flavor, you can skip it by using more oil in the pan. Now, let's start the cooking by heating up a pan at medium-high. Add some cooking oil and fry the onion and garlic after the oil is warm. Fry them a while until they look shining. Drop the minced shrimps and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until you can see their color change or you already can smell its aroma. If you are using a stainless pan, try this way by dropping a little egg on its surface, which is glazed with oil. Break them immediately and spread all over the surface before you put in the noodles. Trust me, they are not going to stick on the pan. But I love having some eggs for my noodles, so I drop the whole beaten egg into the pan. Now drop all the cut veggies and stir fry them until they are half cooked. and we can add some salt and pepper powder. Mix well and we can pour in all the noodles. For me, it is easier to use chopsticks to lift up and spread the noodles. Or you can use clippers if you are not familiar with chopsticks. Add a bit water to give some steaming heat for the noodles. I usually rinse the mixing bowl and the egg bowl with some water. Just 2 tablespoons of water is good enough. Mix well and remove the pan immediately from the heat to avoid burning on the base. Look, they are loose, dry, and fragrant. What do you think, friends? They are not sticking together or stick on the surface of the pan. Now, let me try how the taste is. And if you have some lime or lemon juice, drop some on it. It will make it even better and more flavorful and appetizing. It tastes really good.
Super!
Thanks for watching. Hope it is useful. Bye-bye.